Oh, fun. Legalities. So every state and every country has their own rules and regulations and laws when it comes to homeschooling. Unfortunately, some states are banning homeschooling, which is just, it's insane. I don't even know what to think right now, but I know there's some countries that have recently banned homeschooling. I want to say France was one. I know New York is giving people a really hard time. They might not even be able to homeschool right now. California might be not far behind. I don't know, but it's really bad. So it is important to know what the rules are for your homeschool. And then also, once you're registered, like I'm in Florida, so for us, it's pretty nice and pretty easy. So we can either register with our local district and then we report to the local district by creating a portfolio or having a teacher evaluate. I'm a certified teacher, so I end up doing that for a lot of people. I'll do an evaluation and submit a document that just says, I evaluated the kid, they're making progress. So in Florida, it's pretty easy. You can do it that way, or if you don't want to be tied to the district, which a lot of people don't, then you can go under an umbrella school. Like my kids are actually under Florida umbrella school, and it's just basically like a private school. So you're under their legal standing with the state, and they submit attendance records. So just saying, yes, the kid is learning every day. They're attending school at home every day. And so they take care of that. And it's been the best thing that we've ever done. So I don't have to respond to anybody. I don't have to deal with anybody. I'm responsible for my kids. But every state is different. Sometimes there's private schools, so you can partner with a private school. They'll send workbooks. They'll send whatever distance learning stuff through that private school, and then you report to them. And some schools are way more flexible than others. Some just want you to pay all the time for submitting grades and pay for transcripts and pay for all kinds of stuff. So you just submit your payments and they take care of everything. But you do need to know for each state. So that is a resource that I'm building. There are actually some people out there that have done a really good job with this. So I'm going to be pulling some of their resources and or guiding you to their pages. And then once you have your kids registered the right way, then you have to know what do I have to provide as proof. Like I said, if you go through the district, it's usually a portfolio or a statement from a certified teacher, but every state has something different. Some do require the kids take the standardized test, but there may be ways to opt out of that, or you just let them take the test and don't worry about it. Don't stress about it. There's nothing they can do. If I told you the statistics for what the public school kids' test scores are, you wouldn't feel bad. Okay? Just don't, because the public school scores are not pretty either. So I don't understand why they stress about the homeschool kids if their scores aren't up to par. But hey, that's just my own thoughts on that. So let's go to the next one, which is the best way to create and track progress for your kids.